So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell, the voice that you are hearing does not match up to the video, because like the dumb blonde bitch I am, I kind of forgot to plug in my mic, but I plugged it in enough that even the camera didn't record any audio. So I had no audio, and I also forgot to model like an intro-y drama kind of dancey look for the intro, so yeah, I also don't have that, but this is going to be this neon yellow eleganza transformation. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, I bring out new videos every single Monday, and leave any suggestions down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's go on with this neon yellow eleganza drag look. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I was really pissed that I didn't plug in my mic too, since I matched my nails, I got accessories, I did the whole look, but I am planning to do a different yellow look, just not quite as neon in the future. I just wanted to do something really different compared to normal, and I drank coffee, so yeah, that explains the kind of slightly different avant-garde, different colour combos, different makeup style than what I normally do on my channel, but my base is still pretty much the same that I always do. I did just upload a highlight and contour routine, so I will link that down below if you want any more details, since I'm going to go kind of quick through the base of my foundation, but pretty much colour corrects the beard area, go in with a full coverage foundation, blend that all out nicely, and then go in with a highlight shade just to feminize the features, bring anything forward, and also slightly alter my bone structure since I have a fat round hamster face. So from there, after everything is blended out, go in with a contour shade and just add some cheekbones that I do not have, shrink that 5 head a good bit down to like a 4 head, and then it's acceptable, and then heavily set it all in place with a little bit of powder, and by a little bit I mean a heck of a lot. And while the powder is baking on my face, oh yeah, I also forgot to do my nose contour, so just speed do that now, but I did apply a little bit of powder over my nose, so everything didn't blend as well. The nose contour looks fucked up, this whole video seemed to be going wrong, but I liked that I did something really different, and I challenged myself to play with colours that I don't normally do, and do a look that I wouldn't normally do, especially with that lip. That lip is so different, but I want to do something bold and different. So basically, while the powders were setting on my face, I just quickly filled in my brows, and then it's time to start that different yellow eleganza look. So I first took like an orangey yellow shade through the upper crease area, and then just used my bronzer since I wanted something kind of warm and earthy, just to ground it and add a little bit more definition to the crease. From here then I just went straight in with black, you know, like a badass bitch, just black everywhere. I do wish I applied a little bit more black and made it more smoky and sultry, but I pretty much just packed that black on the outer kind of V area, and then on that inner brow portion, just to add that like a little bit more depth. And then also ran a little bit of yellow bronzy shade that I used in the initial part under my lower lash line. I used my highlight shade to cut out my lid area, just so I had like a nicer clean area to then go in with a Sugar Pill Butter Cupcake yellow shade, and I lived for it. This colour inspired the entire look, and I want to do something that's just a lot more yellow since I love yellow in makeup. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I just want to do something really neon to go with the promo look, and then I didn't have my mic in, and it all went horribly wrong. To add that like neon yellow glittery duochrome kind of colour, I went in with this Stargazer loose pigment in neon yellow, and I wish I packed this all over my entire lid, but unfortunately I just popped it on the inner corner. From there, I took that Butter Cupcake shade and ran it under my lower lash line, popped on a little bit of mascara so I didn't look as weird, and then went in to contour my face using this NYX blush in Taupe. This is one of my favourite all-time contour colours. It's just so grey and gives the perfect like cut cheek look. And then from there went in with my Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced, my all-time favourite bronzer, plus it smells like chocolate. Like, you literally can't go wrong with it. I was trying to debate what blush I wanted to do with this look, but I just went with this gorgeous peachy makeup geek blush that I pretty much only ever wear. I absolutely love this colour, so I seem to wear it every single day of my entire life. From here, I went in with this Wet n Wild highlighter, and I absolutely love this, but I don't know if you can see as much on camera, but it kind of does a colour cast when I look straight on, and now I'm really upset since I lived for it, and now I can't wear it since you can see the stripe of highlighter. After I got my kind of base and face done, it's time to go in with this really fun colour from OCC, and this is not a colour I would normally wear, but I'm kind of living for it. After the lip is on, it's time to set it all in place, pop on lashes, a wig, and yeah, that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.